Jeblan Shelters Limited. Here, we help our clients secure affordable but genuine estate land in the city of Abuja. We are committed to high real estate development with a focus on quality. Our office is where it all begins. We have a dedicated team member to take you through your real estate journey.
From land inspections to paperwork, from first-time buyers to big-time investors, we are here to take you every step of the way. Let's help you take your first step into land ownership today.
Visit our office today at Suite AB3, Apos Parklight Mall, opposite Living Faith Church, Durumi, Abuja.